This is a floor installed in my house. We'll start here. That's the office. We're coming out into the hallway. You can see the whole footprint is all one footprint. There are no transitions. This is the master bedroom. There's no transitions. And then there's the bathroom. And then there's another bedroom. Walk down the hallway. I'm going to be making some doors to finish off some of the areas. The kitchen. Walk around. It's the living room. And then back around to the living room area, and then back around. So this whole floor, about 1,000 square feet, no transitions. It's all one footprint. And I measured everything so that there was no gaps. I laid everything out so that everything matches up at the end. No gaps, no transitions. This floor is absolutely perfect. And there's also different heights, so I had to build up the floor in some areas. So this all looks like it's all one flat floor, but it was all built up underneath. A lot of preparation done for